Recife, Brazil, is a vibrant and charming city offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Located in the northeastern region of Brazil, Recife is the capital of the state of Pernambuco. By using a drone to capture aerial footage, viewers can get a new perspective on the layout and beautiful scenery of this city. One of Recife's main attractions is its stunning beaches. With miles of golden sand and crystal-clear waters, Recife's beaches are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Popular beach destinations include Boa Viagem Beach, Porto de Galinhas, and Praia dos Carneirós. With a warm climate year-round and friendly locals known for their hospitality, Recife is becoming an increasingly popular destination for travelers. Whether you're interested in exploring historical sites, enjoying sun-drenched beaches, or immersing yourself in Brazilian culture, Recife has something to offer every traveler.